Alright, limits with infinity. Let's do this. Okay, so what's the first step? Just 3 steps. First step, divide using the largest degree. So what's the largest degree in here? Largest degree, okay, x to the 4th is the largest degree, right? Notice, we don't count the 7, just the degree. So x to the 4th is the largest degree. And what are we going to do with the largest degree? It says divide. Now what divide means is that we're going to divide each term. So basically, we're going to rewrite it like this. X to the 4th divided by the largest degree, right? X to the 4th. Then we're just going to rewrite the entire expression. We're going to rewrite this entire thing. We're going to divide by the largest degree each time. Minus 5x, x to the 4th. You see what I did to the numerator? I just took the largest degree and I divided everything. Now we're going to do the same thing to the denominator. X to the 4th, I'm just dividing the largest degree. Plus 9x squared cubed divided by the largest degree. Plus e to the x over that. Boom. We're done with the first step. That's that easy. You just got the largest degree and we just had to divide it. Alright, what does the second step say? Simplify. This can definitely be simplified. What can we simplify? X over 4 divided by x over 4. That's just 1, right? That's just 1. 1. The plus. What can we simplify here? X squared and x to the 4th. The denominator will be x squared. X squared and the numerator just cancels out. Laws of exponents. Let's go. Alright, what about here? Same thing, laws of exponents. This becomes a 3. This guy just dies. Boom, he's gone. Alright, this gone. What is this? This is going to be left over, and this guy goes away. And we can't simplify that. We're done with the second step. All those laws of exponents. Alright, plug in. What is our limit approaching? Negative infinity. Alright, let's do this. So we gotta plug in negative infinity for each one of these. So 1, we can't really plug in anything for that. What about here? Well, let's see. 3 over x squared. If we plug in negative infinity for x squared, negative infinity. No matter if it's positive infinity or negative infinity, this is going to be such a big number, right? So what happens if we have 3 to the 10th? That's pretty small, right? What about 3 to the 100? That's even smaller. 3 to the 1,000? Even smaller. 10,000? This is so small. And as you go to infinity, it's getting so small that we just count it as 0. It doesn't matter if this number was negative or positive, right? Negative infinity, positive infinity, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the sign is. We just know if the denominator is going to infinity, then the entire thing is basically, we can write it as 0. So this guy, we're just going to write him as 0. We don't even have to write him. Anything plus 0 just stays the same. Same exact rule applies here. The denominator is becoming infinity, and this becomes 0. What about here? We have 7. Well, this is just 7, right? So let's rewrite. So in the numerator, we have 1. Denominator, we got 7. What about this? Same exact thing. You plug in infinity for the denominator, it's just getting infinitely small. It's getting so small as the denominator gets so much bigger. Alright? So we just basically ignore this guy. So what are we doing? We're just ignoring all of these guys because they all are basically 0. This guy is 0. Let's analyze e to the x. What is this e to the x? Alright. So we got, okay, we know our steps already. So we're just going to analyze this e to the x. E to the x. X is negative infinity. Negative infinity. Okay, what do we know about a negative exponent? It's basically can be written as this. 1 over e to the infinity. Right? Now what do we know about so basically e is a rational number 2.7, right? So what do we know when anything is getting infinitely big? So you've got 1 over 10. That's small, that's even smaller, that's even smaller, that's even smaller, even smaller. So this is getting so big, so that the overall fraction is getting so small. So essentially the numerator, just e to the x is 0, right? We've just shown that e to the x is 0. What about e? What about 0 to x over 4? Well, this is getting infinitely big, right? So it's just 0 over 100, 1,000, million, quadrillion, gazillion, right? It's basically just 0. So also negligible. It doesn't affect anything. It's just a 0. So what are we left with? We're left with 1/7. That's our limit. Boom. Infinity. Whenever we see limit to infinity, we use these 3 steps.